guys, welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, welcome, thanks for joining. So today I'm making furniture with the Dollar Tree tumblers. Now you don't have to use this one in particular, you can use any other design that they have, but let me show you what you can do with Dollar Tree tumblers. But first, let me just bring a side table. I'm new to this corner and I want to just bring a table. Hold on one second. Much better. So I hope you'll stay till the end because I have a surprise and I think you'll be shocked and hopefully we'll have a good chuckle together. So stick around and let's get DIYing. I know not everybody has a dollarama in their state or city, so Hobby Lobby, wherever you're from, maybe just look around there. As long as it's just a nice thick piece of wood, you could go with square if you don't want to do the same as I did, round. Just, interpret whichever way you want to customize for your needs, as long as it's nice and thick to have a good base. Now these I bought on Amazon. They are the same thickness and style like IKEA furniture, so I'll link them in the description below. And what I was doing with the wooden wreaths was to give it a layered look. So I took the medium size to cut a top out of the Dollar Tree plain wood rounds. So the first larger one is going on the bottom for the tiered look. The good thing with this cheese cutting board was that the inner circle was just the perfect size for the next round. Now the trick that I used here was to put a little Kleenex and some nail polish to get an idea where to drill the hole for the screw. And it was so thin that I just used the head of the screwdriver. So I picked up these kids' toys at my local Dollar Tree, and I thought the wooden pole in it would be great for the stand for the tabletop, but unfortunately it was about an inch shy once you put the bottles together. But if you're doing a different tabletop with different tumblers, or if you're going to be cutting it shorter, this would be great to pick up if you see them, or to have in your stash for other projects. Mind you, this would be great to do art projects with compound, drywall compound, which I plan to do soon. So this is great to have as well. So hopefully you get a nice smooth cut so that the two join without having any gaps visible. And that's when I had to go cut the size from the broomstick. So they're double-sided. So draw a line so you know how far deep to use your drill and put it into the pole. Now, don't let this overwhelm you guys. Listen, with my health issues, if I can do it, you guys can do it. Now, because it was plastic, I chose to use E6000 instead of Gorilla Wood Glue. It worked for me, it didn't move. Now, I couldn't find anything obviously the size of my mirror at Dollar Tree. The mirror was 18 inches, so I found this one at Michael's. If you're going to go with a smaller size mirror or no mirror at all, you could just use the wood and paint the wood. You don't have to use a mirror top. So measuring from the center to the outside of the small circle helped me to figure out where to place the small circle on the large circle. Now, for the embroidery hoop, again, I could not find a size that would match, so I found larger ones. So I just found where the brad nailer is that holds them together, and you just pop it, nudge it open, and then you could cut it to whatever size you want. I have this stapler gun that is also a brad nailer. It's my first time using it as a brad nailer. Couldn't figure out where it was coming out of. I just wanted one in and then just hammer it in. Now, the reason I'm painting it with black chalk paint is because there was something that I had black and I spray painted it with gold or silver, and I found that it popped better than just spraying it on it raw, and especially with wood because of the grain. So I thought I'm just going to paint it with chalk paint because it's wood. If it's anything else in future, I'm going to spray paint it black just to give you a little bit of a hack. Now you can see that it is wobbly a bit. Now this you don't put anything really heavy on, okay? But what I decided to do is it wasn't sticking down very properly because of that lip. So here we go. You know, guys, I'm very honest with you guys. I'm not going to just make something just to take a video 5 minutes and get, your thumbs up or your likes or whatever. I do these things because I want to inspire you. For me, I want to like them and I want to make them proper too. And so I will be transparent and tell you if it goes wrong. And I want to show you what goes wrong. So guys, did you figure it out? the table was here the whole time. Let me know in the comments if you did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.